Hi guys, today we will write a letter to your father who is away from home, telling him how the family is. Let's get started. First, write examination hall, then write the name of city and date. My dear father, I received your letter yesterday. I was very much pleased to know that you would be returning home in the next few days. Dear mother remained confined to bed for a fortnight because of cough and cold. Cough and cold, as you know, are the gifts of winter season. Salma was also not well owing to her tonsils. Waleed is making good progress at school. As for myself, I am also busy with my studies. I hope this letter will find you in the best of health. Your loving son, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.